Welcome everyone to this weekly update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. Like and comment below your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead on a monthly perspective from gold. As you can see, in the past 2 months, in May and June, we have bearish candles. However, this month we broke the previous monthly highs on July, and we never broke the previous monthly lows. So at some point, we have support here. After this high made, we can look for some support to retest this high again. The tensions in the economy is not so high, but it's still in indecision. However, in this week, current week, the past 2 weeks, we formed the support right over here, and we have this resistance right over here. We failed to break with a body candle above this level on a weekly time frame in the previous 2 weeks, and now we failed to break the highs when we broke the lows, and we closed with weak bearish candle. I would anticipate a candle like this to retest again these lows in a way, because we made a new low. We failed to break these highs here. We just kind of break it, but still this candle makes it a very hard for bullish movement to continue up. And I anticipate at least a wick fill to the downside, and then potentially come up to this support again before we continue to the upside on a weekly perspective on gold initially. And now on a daily time frame, we have this range here, which we have like this, and we have this range, another range here. So I believe we can still tap this level, form that weekly wick to the upside, and then once we break this level, we can retest these. We can clean this traffic. We can retest this support once again, because as you can see, as soon as we tap this level, previous support now turned into resistance. Every 2 times we tapped it, we rejected very hard. So we can tap it one more time, or just form some sort of resistance at some point here, break this level, and then continue to the downside. That's what I see from a daily perspective. On gold, to round up, I see either a tap to this level, or a resistance form at some point, and then come and break this level and clean this whole traffic. At any point we have a closure below here, we can clean this traffic to the left hand side that we have right over here. If we go on the 4-hour time frame quickly, in the 4-hour time frame we break this level, and now we're just retracing after this huge bearish movement. We're retracing a bit. We will look for resistance to be formed to retest this level, and on the break of this level we have this not so clean traffic on the 4-hour, but on the daily time frame we can potentially clean this range one more time before either continuing up to start a new leg to the upside, or just break also this level and then go to the next support, because we have this whole clean traffic right over here. We need to see and wait for that. The 4-hour is very hard to predict from a weekly perspective, so let's go on a monthly time frame on GJ. GJ monthly has moving up very nice. The June has been amazing bullish. We tapped this level that we previously said, and as soon as we close this on May, I was anticipating a bullish closure and then clean traffic to the upside. At the moment, this monthly candle is, wait, let me see the monthly candle on gold. Yeah, monthly candle is closing like this on gold. It's gonna be interesting. GJ monthly is closing like this. Then if we break the highs of this previous month, next month we can continue to the upside. If we don't, we can easily wick fill to the downside. Weekly had a huge wick after this pure bullish momentum in June. Very strong momentum. We clean all these traffics, so if we come up and break these highs, I anticipate a move to the upside on the daily time frame as well. Wait, let me see the weekly one more time. Weekly, if we break these highs, continue move up. If we fail to break the highs, we can easily wick fill to the downside. Daily, however, is showing this fake out after we clean this whole traffic. And yeah, it's gonna be hard for it to move to the downside. So I believe we can easily continue to the upside, tap this level eventually, and then break the highs if we can. But we need to see how price will react around this area, because we can just have a fake out and then come back, close again, and then come again and tap this level before making a bit of consolidation before the next move up or a whole correction to this time frame. But these are mainly by the economics, so we need to be aware of that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and we are back after a month of break, a month and a half of break of videos. We're gonna come back stronger than ever. Thank you for much. Bye bye.